Hello! In this video, we will talk about how to get from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to Istanbul's historic city center. Istanbul has been home to many civilizations throughout history. The first step to step into this magnificent city is to plan transportation from the airport to the city center. In this video, we will tell you the most up-to-date and efficient ways to get from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to the city center. If you are ready to discover Istanbul, let's embark on this journey together. If you are as curious about exploring the world as I am, you can subscribe to my channel, and together we can say, I said travel. Sabiha Gökçen International Airport is located in Pendik district on the Anatolian side, 40 km from Kadıköy and 50 km from Taksim. You can reach your destination from Sabiha Gökçen International Airport by municipal buses, Havabus, and metro. Municipality buses? There are 10 different municipal buses going from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to the city center. You can find the route and ticket prices of the municipal buses when you search by the number of the municipal buses on the https://iett.istanbul website. Metro? Using the Sabiha Gökçen metro station. From Kadıköy Station to T3 Kadıköy, Moda Line, City Lines, sea buses, and sea boats. From Ayrılıkçeşmesi Station to Marmaray Line, Anılın Station to Metrobus Line. From Pendik Station, you can transfer to Pendik High-Speed Train Station via ITT buses. You can visit www.metro.istanbul for route and price information. Havabus. You can travel from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to Kadıköy and Taksim by Havabus buses. The buses are white in color, and the departure point of Sabiha Gökçen Airport is opposite the arrivals floor exit of the terminal building. Buses depart from Taksim in front of Taksim Divan Hotel, from Abdülhamit Street in front of Point Hotel, and from Kadıköy in front of the Dock IETT stations. For route and price information, please visit www.havabus.com.